Question: a machine in a soft drink factory fills 840 bottles in 6 hours. So how many does he fills in 5 hours? See, how many bottles he is filling in 6 hours? In 6 hours he is filling 840 bottles. So in 5 hours, how many bottles will he fill? We don't know, right? So we'll assume that as X. Now we'll put the arrows, and always remember to put the head. This is the head of the arrow. Head of the arrow should always be towards X place. So in direct proportion the arrows will be same. If here it is downwards, so even here it will be in downwards. Now always the head of the arrow number will be in the numerator. So here head of the arrow is X, right? We will write here X. By this will come in the denominator 840. Here the head of the arrow is 5, right? So that will come in the numerator place, and this will come in denominator. What is the number? 6. Now we'll do the cross multiplication. X into 6 is 6x. 840 into 5 is how much? 4200, right? 4200. Now we'll bring this x down. X is equals to 4200 by 6. 6 ones are 6. 6 how much are 42? 6 sevens are 42. Take the 2 zeros up. Therefore 700 bottles in how many hours? 5 hours. We can make in 5 hours. We will make, the factory will make the 700 bottles. So this is the question. A farmer has enough food to feed 20 animals in his cattle for 6 days. How long would the food last if there were 10 more animals in his cattle? So how many animals? 20 animals, right? We'll write here 20 animals. In how many days we have to write here? 6 days. Now they are telling 10 more animals. So here food, if there were 10 more animals means 20 plus 10, right? 20 plus 10 is equals to how many animals totally? 30 animals. In how many days will it last? We don't know that, right? So we'll assume here it as X. Now see, always the arrow's head should be in X place, right? So the arrow's head is in X place. Now in inverse proportion the arrows are always opposite. So here the arrow is downwards, means the arrow over here will be upwards, and wherever we have whichever number is present in the head of the arrow, that number will be in the numerator, right? So the head is 20. So we'll write here 20 by, and the rest number is 30. That will be in the denominator, is equals to, the head number is X, alphabet is X. We'll put here X, and the rest number will be in the denominator. Now we'll do the cross multiplication. 20 into 6 is how much? 120 is equals to 30 into X is 30x. Now we'll bring the X down. X is equals to 120 divided by 30. Now we'll cancel the 0 and the 0. 3 ones are 3, 3 4s are 12. Therefore, so for 30 animals the food will last for 4 days, because the answer is 4, right?